So hello friends, today video is basically on Hyper-V. I'm using Windows Server 2012 R2 and I'm going to show you how to enable the Hyper-V, and after that you can install the CentOS or Ubuntu or any operating system on your Hyper-V. It basically actually it's one server. You can take the one server and you can create multiple server or operating system on the same hardware, so you don't need to buy multiple hardware. So if I'm taking an example, like if we are creating one VCDL, one Elastix, and one the Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, it means the 5 individual PC or the hardware or the server you need for that one. But if you buy a good server with a good RAM and the processor, so it will be easy for you. So let's start with the server manager. Then after you have to go to the add roles and feature, then next. So here is my server name with the IP address and the operating system. You have to click on next. Then there was the option Hyper-V. You have to enable it, add the feature. After that, next you have to click on. So leave it as on the basic thing. After that you have to hit next, and it is so easy to enable. You have to select the Ethernet, and so here is the prompt of the migration, and hit next and the confirmation for the installation. So if you enable that one, it will be automatically restart your server, because after installation the Hyper-V or the enable the feature, you have to reboot your server for the one time. So here it takes a little bit time for that one. I hope you understand the feature of the Hyper-V. It's like a VMware, you can say, or Oracle VMware is also there, Citrix also there, the same thing in the Windows Server. If you are using Windows Server 2012 8 or 16, so it's a by default feature in your Windows, so you can use it, and I think it's a good feature. So my feature has already installed. Now let me see any tasks is going on this server or not, because it's in my production server. So it's SQL TeamViewer. Okay, so there is nothing, no service is running, so I can reboot the system. So my server has reboot, and let me check the process. So you have to go to your server manager. You can see on the left side there is one option has come as a Hyper-V. So you can see here the server name with the IP address. So you have to right click on the server and you have to select the Hyper-V manager. So here is the manager. Now I'm going to click on the server name, and there is the option on the right side, new. You have to click on that. There is the option virtual machine, then you have to click on next. So I'm not going to show you how to install the operating system. Basically I'm just showing you the how to enable the Hyper-V and what is the basic how to do that one. So here we can set any name as like Windows 8 or Elastix or CentOS or Ubuntu, anything. You have to select the generation 1, and here is the good thing is there's a a little bit details on after that generation 1, generation 2, and whatever you are installing, there is the option. So I'm selecting generation 1, and here you can set your RAM. I'm putting 2 GB RAM. After that you have to configure the networking site. So here is the drop down, so you can check that one. And here is your hard disk size, 127 GB has written. I don't have any issue with my system, it's enough hard disk I have and the space. So now the installation option, where you have store the ISO file. So I have put ISO file on the CD or DVD I have put in. So that is the reason I have select the E. If you have any ISO file in your computer, then you have to select the image file, and then after you have to browse it. So this is the all things for the setup. Now I'm going to finish this one, and let's start the Hyper-V and the installation process. So here is the configuration and the disk and the RAM and the LAN card. The whole things are going to set up for the very first beginning. Then you can check there is a under below Elastix virtual is written, and the state is off, so you need to start it. And a little bit below, so here's the black screen you can check. So I'm going to double click on that, or you can connect. So this is the thing. So I think this is the basic thing, how to enable the Hyper-V and whole things. So my Elastix has start, it's on CentOS, so there is no issue if whenever you are selecting the operating system, whatever, Linux or Windows or anything, not a issue. You can install in your Hyper-V and Linux system also. So here is the language and the whole thing. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. The next video will be on the Hyper-V, how to install the VC-Dial version 9, and that is my first video on the VC-Dial 9. So please stay tuned and please subscribe us. If there is any comment you need or any help, you can comment, or Skype ID already you have. And if you have any recommendation for the video, please tell us. I will definitely guide you, or try to give the video, upload the video as per your recommendation. Thank you for watching our video.